Hey gorgeous, it's COLSY here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pew, 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 pew. So for today's video, malamang magme-makeup ulit ako. But for today, gagawa lang ako ng super simple lang. Promise, simple lang to. No fake lashes, no foundation, no contour, super natural. Super natural lang. So, if you wanna know how will this look end up, just keep on watching. So, ang first step ko dahil ang aking skin ay oily, I use powder first and then I'll do my brows next. So, for the powder, Pond's Magic Powder BB. I will apply this sa my T-zone lang siya. Super light lang. And then, sa eyes, the rest, pat-pat lang. So, for the brows, I will be using the Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. So, for the brows, i-fill in ko lang yung mga gaps and lalagyan ko lang siya ng buntot. Since putol yung kilay ko. I'll just do my other brow off cam and I'll be right back. Tcharam! Di ba? Gusto mo yun? Yan. So, I already did my other brow off cam. Ang gagawin ko na lang is lilinisin ko siya with this Q-tip. Cotton buds. To set my brows, I'll be using this Detail Makeover MakeBrow Mascara. And then for the eyes, wala na tayong ilalagay. Kasi diba, nilagyan na natin siya ng powder. So, okay na yun. I'll just curl my lashes. So, for my first mascara, I'll be using the famous Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So for this mascara, this will help your curls last long and it will not let you down. Tama yan. For my next mascara, I'll be using also the famous from Loreal, the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Yan. Kita niyo ba? So, we'll move on with the face now. I will use a primer. So, lalagay ko lang siya sa T-zone. Minsan lang ako oily. So, maraming nagtataka bakit yung makeup ko hindi daw humuhulas. Yeah, one reason is that I prime. Not to prime is a crime. So, yan. What I use for my primer pala is the CoverGirl Trueblend Beige Business Skin Primer, the Pore Minimizing variant. There. Yan. So, for my concealer, I'll be using two concealers. One is, di ko sure kung darker siya sa akin, pero parang may orange, excuse me, parang may orange na undertone siya. So, it will cancel the darkness sa aking mukha. Like eye bags, pimple marks, you know. So first, I'll be using the creamy beige shade from LaGirl Pro Conceal. Pwede din sa eye bags. And I will just let this sit onto my skin for a while. Siguro mga 30 seconds before I blend it because mas may coverage siya pag medyo pinatuyo mo.
Bruh.
And then next is the natural shade naman. Ilalagay ko lang siya dun sa usual na nilalagyan, which is under eyes, sides of the nose, dito sa gilid ng bibig, also here, and siguro onti here. Dito din. Para ma-lift ang skin. Kunwari. And then, onti lang dito sa nose. Yan. Tagal ko nang hindi nag-film, guys. Siguro ang last video ko is 2017 or early 2018. Naging busy na eh. May braces pa ako nung ngayon wala na. Nung January lang siya natanggal. Anyway guys, life update. Hindi na po ako nag-work sa airport. I resigned last year, April. Last week ng April. Now, nasa ibang field na po ako. Asa beauty industry. New environment, new job, new people, new life. New friends. Para sa ating natural blush lang. Natural blush. Yeah. I'll be using this BLK. Ano to? Ano to? A lip and cheek paint from BLK in the shade Daffodil. Onti lang kasi pigmented siya. And then for blending this kind of tint, guys, ipat-pat nyo lang siya. Kasi pag dinrag nyo siya, mamumove yung base na nilagay nyo sa ilalim. And then for the powder, I'll be using WetNWild Photofocus Translucent Powder to set my face. I'll just use a fluffy brush. After setting my face, this is my new technique. Kasi, di ba, as what I've said earlier, oily skin, AQ. So, I'll be using this Lux Organic Skin Mattifying Mist. So, after nung powder, para mag-melt siya sa skin and all the products that you put, mag-set tayo ng face. Para hindi siya agad-agad mag-oil up. So, next is I'll be using my Vice Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Daliada. Sobrang tagal na nito sa akin. Di pa rin ako nai-hit pan, guys. Pero pigmented kasi siya. Actually, I'm not a fan of cream products. But, cream ba to? I'm not sure. Cream ba to? Yung BLK? Wala lang. Nagustuhan ko lang siya. Kasi, sobrang pigmented nito. As in, one dot mo lang. Buong cheek na siya. Hindi siya nawawala sa makeup ko. I'm always using highlighter to give glow sa aking skin. You know? So, for my highlighter, I'll be using Maybelline's Master Chrome na highlighter, which is basag na. Ayan. Basag na siya. I'm not a fan of cream products kasi natutunan ko dun sa workshop ni Ate Raisa. Ate! Ate mo, girl. Close kayo. So, yun nga. Natutunan ko sa workshop ni Ate Raisa na ang cream products is for dry skin. And since I'm oily skin, yeah, I like using powder products. Di ba? So for the lips, I'll be using Colorette's Velvet Tint in the shade Birthday Cake. This is my current favorite for everyday. So what I'm doing recently with my lips is, ino-overline ko siya. Ayan. Nilalagpasan ko yung natural lips ko. Para maging malaki yung lips. Then for the last step, magsiset ulit tayo. But for this step, gagamit tayo ng Beauty Mist by Ann Klutz Makeup Setting Spray. Makeup Setting Spray naman siya. Para matunaw ang powder sa face. This is also one step na hindi ko pwedeng So, ayun. One reason kung bakit nagtatagal yung makeup ko is because I set it with a setting spray. Or, dati nung wala pa akong budget, water lang. As in water lang. Yung akin, yung iniinom, mineral water nilalagay ko sa bottle and then spray. Just to set everything in place. This is the final look. Sabi sa inyo, simple lang eh. For the products that I use on this video, lalagay ko siya sa description box. So, ayan. Pwede niyo siyang gawin kung gusto niyo lang magmaganda sa bahay para maglinis, kumain, manood, maglaba, mag-grocery. Pagdasal na lang natin lahat ng mga nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. It helps big time. So, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this with your friends. You know, support, you know. Subscribe na rin kayo if you want. Walang sapilitan to, best. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. And of course, the notification bell. If ever mag-upload ulit ako, siguro baka next year na ulit. So, if may requested pa kayong mga makeup looks, challenges, routines, whatever, i-comment nyo lang siya sa baba. And then, I'll try. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Lalo na sa Instagram kasi I post my looks there and mini makeup videos, you know, and mga kaartihan. Yeah. So, ayun. Stay safe, guys. And don't forget to pray. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Grocery na daw kami.